Alright, Buick fans, here we are looking at a 1950 Buick 8.
Nice little conversation piece, for sure.
This car is very well done. Fit, finish, paint, interior, smells brand new. Look at that. Power windows, look at that. Amazing. Dynaflow. The attention to detail on this thing is very nice. Very well done. Paint and body look awesome. Chrome is beautiful. Wide whites. And the green interior certainly complements the paint. So you got 3 ports. That tells you it's a 6-cylinder. And boy, what a nice car to cruise around in. So there you have it, 1950 Buick 8 convertible with the Dynaflow. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.